Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So, today we are going to do a video explaining about the change of character. So, a change of character happens in a smart money concept trading. So, what is a change of character? A change of character is a signal of a possible trend change. It's a signal of a possible trend change. So, now they are the CHOCHs. They are more effective when they are formed on higher time frame zones. And they are also effective when they form with large candlesticks. And they are also effective when they break through two or more than one supply or demand zones. Sorry for a mistake here. So it's supposed to be two or more than one supply and demand zones. So now let's look at the let's look at the theory. Let's look at the change of character in theory, guys. So by looking at the change of character, as you can see here on the charts, here is the you see this one is a higher time frame zone, this one. So let me just make it clear now. So here, as you can see, this one is a higher time frame zone. So the market is moving up. So the market is creating a higher high and a higher low, a higher high and a higher low. So now the market tapped into a higher time frame zone, which is here. So now that higher time frame zone is what we call a supply zone. So this one is a supply zone because the market tapped in this higher time frame zone. So as you can see, so now the market after tapping in, it reversed and it made what? It made a higher. So now instead of now continuing to break the previous high, the market formed a higher low. So in this higher low now, this was the market breakthrough our last higher low, our two higher lows. This one is the first one and this one is the second one. So this one is our last higher low, which has to be respected for the market to do what? For the market to continue up. As you can see on the chart here, it is supposed to respect this higher low which is here. So now the market didn't respect this higher low. So it did what? It break this previous higher low to make, and then it made a lower low. So after we see that, okay, the market is made a lower low. So now this is what we call now, the market made a change of character now. This is what we call a choke, a change of character. So the market is shifted bullish, from bullish, from making higher highs to making lower lows, as you can see. So this is our previous higher lows. So now it made a higher low. After price made a higher low, now where do we look at now? We look at this lower low, lower high. So we look at this higher low and then we draw what? We draw a zone there. We draw a zone there. That is what we call a supply zone. After now price comes here. After price comes here, and then we do what? We put an entry there. We put an entry there, a sell entry there. We put our stop loss where? Above this lower high. We target what? We target here. We target here, down here. So this is what we call a change of character, guys. So now there are fake change of characters in the market. There are a lot. They are there in the market to trap you guys into thinking that okay, there's a change of character there, but those one, some of those one, they are fake jokes. So this one is the right one, is the correct one. So this for the change of character to be a valid joke, it has to break a previous low or a previous high. A previous low or a previous high, guys. It has to break that one for it to be considered a valid change of character, guys. So yeah, now this is in theory now. So now let's back in the chart so that we can show you the real market in the chart, how it looks in real now on the charts. On Euro USD, as you can see. Now, as you can see here, price is in a uptrend. Price is what? Price is breaking structure to the upside. As you can see here. Price is breaking structure to the upside, as you can see. Here is a break of structure on the upside. Here is our other break of structure on the upside. Let me just make it here. As you can see here now, guys, we are breaking structure to the upside. We are making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. And this is our last higher lows, guys. This is our last higher lows. So as you can see. So now, let me just get my barley play tool so that I can place the price. Okay now. So as you can see now, the change of character didn't happen yet. So as you can, it did. Yeah, it did. It did because as you can see here, the price broke this our last higher low, which is here. So this is our last higher low, as you can see. So let's just play the price now. Let's just play the price. So there are two zones that we have to check here. So this is our first zone and this is our second zone. So for us, it's just to wait for price to come where? To come here. If price comes here at this zone, and then we put a what? We put a sell. So we would put a sell if price comes at these two zones. Or we can even put a buy stop. I mean a sell stop. Not a sell stop, but a sell limit here at this zone. These two zones. So for me, I'm just waiting now. As you can see, we are playing price now. Let's just watch how price is going to react now. As you can see, a change of character has happened. So now we formed a what? See now, price did what? Price made a higher low. I mean a lower low. This is our lower low now. This is our confirmed lower low, guys. As you can see here. So now we are waiting now. So I have two zones. I have two supply zones. The most extreme supply zones and our first supply zones. So now I'll watch now. So I'll put a sell here. I'll put a sell limit here and my stop loss should just be slightly above this candlestick which is here. So this is our last buy candle. It's where I put my supply zone. This is our order block. So now I'll put my stop loss up above that candlestick, and my TP should be at this low. At this low. This is my TP now. So now let's watch now. But before we continue, as you can see, price made a double top, which is our equal high. This is what we call our equal high. When there is an equal high like this, you must know that price will go above to grab liquidity above this high. There is liquidity which is above here, guys. So avoid making this kind of mistakes. So I will release a new video talking about where to spot liquidity, how to spot liquidity in the charts or in the markets. So now for you, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. If you have any idea, or if you have any video idea or any topic that you wish that you want me to produce or to talk about, comment in the video section, guys. Comment in the comment sections, so that you can give me ideas now on what to discuss next. But soon I will release a video on liquidity, guys, where to find liquidity in the market, guys. So subscribe on the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future uploads, guys, and like the video, guys. So let's continue with the price now. As you can see now, guys, as you can see, price definitely tapped into my sell limit, guys. And the one thing you have to realize again is there is a bearish engulfing candle, guys. This is our bearish engulfing candle, as you can see there. After price tap into that supply zone, we got a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. So let's continue without wasting any of your time. And then there is our TP, guys. Our TP has been smashed, guys. Our TP has been smashed. So, guys, it's easy, guys. For you, it's just to be patient. Be patient with the market. Be patient with the price. And watch the price, guys. So, yeah, like the video, guys. Share the video. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding what we discussed here. Join our free Telegram in the video description. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. I don't sell anything. I don't sell courses. I don't sell signals. I'm not interested in selling anything to you guys. So the little thing that you can do for me is just to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, guys. Bye, guys.